All right, it's time to get prepared for the weather. So it's about 10 a.m., maybe about 9:30. Actually, I'm wrong. I think it's about 8:30 Central Standard Time, and I'll go ahead and skip over to a graphic, a Doppler time lapse type graphic, and tell you where these storms are. But they're headed this way. So let's see what type of weather we can expect later on today. All right, so here's the line of thunderstorms that I briefly discussed yesterday that we have been anticipating here in Dauphin Island, Alabama. Again, that's where we are, where the blue dot is. And I don't just mean we're anticipating it just here, but from basically the areas you can see just to the west now of New Orleans and moving relatively quickly here on this time-lapse Doppler radar. So what I'm going to do is try to freeze it here. Let's see if I can do that. And let's add my little graphic here and see if this works out. So what I'm going to do, grab this a little bit wider. So what we have, again, is we have this trough, which has been pushing from the Pacific Northwest to the southeast here for the past couple of days. At the same point in time, it picked up a low pressure to the west of the image in the Arizona area. They joined, and what's going to happen, and what is currently happening, and already has happened in the Louisiana, Oklahoma area already, but what we have is we have a southeasterly wind, and a relatively brisk one. I'm sitting outside now, right here on the water here in Dauphin Island, so the wind's coming out of the southeast and pretty firm. So as this front moves through, we are going to get a southwesterly wind that's going to shear and create a very unstable environment. We're already under a tornado watch now at this point. So we'll sit tight and hang around a little bit and see what this kind of amounts to be. But again, it looks like on the loop that it should be in our neck of the woods somewhere around 12 o'clock Central Standard Time. So hopefully we'll do some type of weather video during that point in time. You can see the really dark reds right here on this line. So in a 2-hour loop, it went, or it passed, say, where's Louisiana State, Baton Rouge, moved across, and now is just to the west of Louisiana, or next to New Orleans. So I think that this general area here in the next couple of hours will definitely have some severe weather occur. So stay tuned, and we'll see what happens.